by auto.
I should have a bike for coming here.
I should not have a bike for coming here.
Beautiful. I should purchase a BMW car for coming here.
I should not purchase a BMW car.
I will celebrate my birthday in this batch.
I will not.
I am going to speak one last question, then you will be winner, Mr. Sabir. My brother came here for meeting me.
My brother not.
Your wife is watching.
I don't want to see my wife.
Oh my God! He is saying I don't want to see my wife. I will go from here.
I will not go from here.
I come here every day.
I don't come here every day.
I came here yesterday.
I didn't come.
I am talking to you in English.
I am not talking to you in English.
Beautiful, very nice. Alright everyone, so thank you very much for clicking this video. Again, they are just sitting and I am standing in this circle. Actually, we have learnt many more sentences. I uploaded one debate session, I hope you have watched. People are just, making many more mistakes. So that's why I have decided to make them speak, to make them use the thing they have learned, the thing they have understood. But at the time of speaking, at the time of just arguing, at the time of just communicating, they are unable to use those sentences. The disclaimer for you everyone here. Individually, I'll be going there. I will be asking to each and everyone. Five questions I will be asking. I will be asking in positive and you have to speak in negative, and later on I will be changing, like I will be saying to you, you have to convert in interrogative as well, so you will have to do that. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start from boys and from the girls.
Girls first.
From the girls, we boys, we respect a lot mahila. All right, so Mr. Ajit is saying girls first, so I would like to go to here Miss Monica. Miss Monica, hurry up, you can hold it. Oh my God. Miss Monica, I will be speaking only 5 sentences. You have to convert in negative only, right? Can you do that? 100%. Sure. Are you confident? Oh my God, you are not confident. I should not talk to you. Are you confident? 100%? Speak up. Be more energetic. Oh, by the way, Miss Monica, I will talk to you.
Okay.
Arey, she is saying okay. No, you have to convert in negative. I will talk to you.
I will not talk to you.
Mic should be
I
here.
will not talk to you.
I will not talk to you. I talked to you yesterday.
I will not talk to you yesterday.
Please. Alright, Miss Ananya, I came here yesterday.
I didn't came here yesterday.
Go again, please.
I didn't came here yesterday.
Please, you can pass that mic to Mr. Junaid. Please, I have started from here. I have to go and come here again. So it will take much time. Hey, Mr. Junaid, I will become a leader of my village.
I will not become a leader in my village.
Alright, I will vote you.
I will not vote you.
I will learn English.
I will not learn English.
I should have knowledge of English language.
I should not have knowledge of English.
Beautiful. I should talk in English only.
I should not talk in English.
Beautiful. One last question, then you will be winner, and all the people are going to clap for you.
Yes, sir.
So you have to just speak correctly. Yes. For speaking English, I need great knowledge.
I don't need great knowledge for speaking English.
Beautiful. Very nice. All right, Mr. Junaid, you have spoken, I think, more than 5 sentences, right? Congratulations. All right, Mr. Divakar, where is your partner? Who's your partner? Okay, so your partner is winner.
Yes, sir.
All right, so Mr. Divakar, I will ask you a question. Okay. You have to speak now negative.
I will not ask you question.
I will talk to you in English.
I will not talk to you in English.
I know you.
I don't know you.
I knew you. Excuse me? Sound is coming from anywhere.
I did not knew you.
No.
Know you, sir.
He
No,
has
you,
supported.
sir. Sir,
I'm
sir,
sorry.
sir, sir. No,
No,
you. No, you.
he has supported. You have heard. I cannot discriminate here. You have listened, and that's why. Oh, guys, you should not speak. Why are you just speaking? You should speak, but in your mind, not by tongue, not by sound. Understood? Yes. You don't have to support here. Individually, now we are interacting. All right, Miss Purnima, I will touch your mobile.
I will not touch you.
I will see you.
I will not see you.
I saw you.
I didn't see you.
I need to learn English.
I don't need to learn English.
I was watching movie with my sister.
I was not watching movie with my sister.
I am talking to you in English.
I'm not talking to you in English.
Beautiful, very nice. Alright. I am going to speak only 5 sentences for you. You have to convert in interrogative. They have spoken in negative. Now you have to speak in interrogative. Alright. I will sit here. Interrogative.
Will I sit here?
That's beautiful. I am talking in English.
Am I talking in English?
Alright. I am drinking water.
Am I drinking water?
I was calling you.
Was I calling you?
Was I calling you? Beautiful. Okay. I should go on the road. Oh my God. 1,
For
2. She has supported. I'm sorry.
Question.
I'm sorry. Alright. So what is happening? One part. Where is your partner? I'm your partner.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So you can just hold it, Mr. Eklav.
Yes, sir.
I will love my sister.
I will not love my sister.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
No.
you are getting confused. I will love my mother.
I will not love my mother.
My mother loves me.
My mother not loves.
Alright. So Mr. Eklav has gone in bucket. So now you don't have to go in bucket. Mr. Sabir, I will go to Jaunpur.
Sir, negative banana.
Negative you have to speak, yeah.
I will not go to the Jaunpur.
I will not go to Jaunpur. I will talk to my brother.
I will not talk to my brother.
I was talking to my brother in English.
I was not talking
To my brother?
to my brother in English.
Beautiful. Mr. Sabir, I am learning English here.
I am not learning English here.
Oh my God. Really? You're not learning English? Okay, just it is question. Mr. Sabir, I should learn English.
I should not learn English.
What a bad sentence you are speaking. I should not learn English, so should you dance here?
No, sir.
No, just it is only for just practicing. I will take tea early in the morning.
I will not take tea early in the morning.
Beautiful. I am going to speak one last question, then you will be winner, Mr. Sabir. My brother came here for meeting me.
My brother not did not came here.
I have become very emotional and very sad for you. In the last, you made a mistake. Oh, all right, Mr. Saleh, I will offer namaz. I will offer namaz.
Negative banana.
Just negative.
I will not offer.
I will help poor.
I will not help poor.
I should help poor.
I should not help poor. I
I will talk in English.
I will not talk to in English.
Talk.
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 Huh, not talk. That is talk. All right. I know him.
I know him. I don't know him.
He knows me.
He doesn't know me.
Beautifully, very nice. 2 last you have to reply. My mother will prepare food for me.
My mother will not prepare food for me.
Okay, my father earns money.
My father doesn't earn money.
Very nice, mister. All right, Mr. Saleh, you are dark horse. You are Chupa Rustam. Exactly, you have spoken correctly, Mr. Ajit. I will go to Azamgarh.
I will not go to Azamgarh.
I will live in Lucknow.
I will not live in.
I leave Lucknow. Exactly, that is other sentence.
I don't live in Lucknow.
I don't?
Leave Lucknow.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I will go to Delhi.
I will not go to Delhi.
I should shift in Delhi.
I should not shift in Delhi.
I should stay in Delhi for doing job.
I should not stay in Delhi for doing job.
Beautiful. Okay, I will fly for London.
I will not fly for London.
My father comes here every day.
My father doesn't come here for every day.
For every day? Only every day. All right. Okay. My mother prepares breakfast for me early in the morning.
My mother doesn't prepare breakfast for early in the morning.
For me early in the morning. Last question, Mr. Ajit, then you will be winner. Okay. Sanjay calls me for speaking Hindi.
Repeat again.
Sanjay calls me for speaking Hindi.
Sanjay doesn't call me for speaking English.
Hindi.
Sorry, Hindi.
Hindi, all right, Mr. Ajit. Wow, very nice. You have replied nicely. Mr. Akul, you don't have to become just like Labru and Jabru. You have to speak just like Mr. Ajit, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will sit here.
I will not sit here.
I will sleep here.
I will not sleep here.
I will go from here.
I will not go from here.
I come here every day.
I don't come here every day.
I came here yesterday.
I didn't come yesterday.
I should come here for learning English.
I should not come here for learning English.
I should be here for talking to you.
I should not be.
Hurry up.
Repeat again.
Oh my God. I should be here for talking to you.
I should not be for talking to you.
I should not be here for talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was going to Aminabad.
I was not going to Aminabad.
I saw you in Aminabad.
I didn't see you Aminabad.
Last question. My mother does shopping from Lulu Mall.
My mother doesn't shopping for Lulu Mall.
Oh my God, my mother doesn't do shopping from Lulu Mall. Very nice, Mr. Abdi. So, Mr. Akul. Alright, Miss Shivani. You have to speak just speedily. Can you speak?
Yes, sir.
I will jump off this building.
I
will jump off this
will
building.
not jump this building.
Okay, I will fly kite.
I will not fly kite.
I know your brother.
I don't know your brother.
Okay, your brother knows me.
My brother doesn't know you.
All right, yes, okay. My mother came here yesterday.
My mother didn't come here yesterday.
Beautiful. I will talk to you in English.
I will not talk to you in English.
I should have knowledge of English language.
I should not have knowledge English.
I should be here for taking knowledge of English.
I should not be taking.
Oh my God, I should be.
I should not be take. क्या बोला? Sir, repeat again.
Excuse me. My positive sentence is that I should be here for taking knowledge of English language.
I should not be taking for talking.
I'm sorry. I should not be here for taking knowledge of English language. Oh, excuse me, Miss Muskan. I will use mask.
I will not use mask.
I will offer namaz.
I will not offer namaz.
I offered namaz of Zuhar.
I didn't offer namaz. I didn't offer namaz.
Of Zuhar. Okay. I came here by auto.
I didn't come here by auto.
I should have a bike for coming here.
I should not have a bike for coming here.
Beautiful. I should purchase a BMW car for coming here.
I should not purchase a BMW car.
I will celebrate my birthday in this batch.
I will not celebrate birthday.
Beautiful. You have replied nicely. Now I want you to convert. I want you to speak now in interrogative, right?
Yes,
I will be speaking only 3 sentences. All right. So, Miss Muskan, I will sleep here.
Will you sleep here?
Beautiful. I will speak from the stage.
Will you speak from the stage?
I was crying for chocolate.
Was you crying for chocolate?
One last question. Oh my God, 3 I have asked, but I want you to reply one more. I will beat all the girls.
Will you beat all the girls?
Yes, I will beat. All right, excuse me. All right, you have replied nicely. Mr. Ravendra, I will do business of people.
I will not do business our people.
People. Okay, ठीक है. All right, I will learn English.
I will not learn English.
I will speak Hindi in this class.
I will not speak Hindi in this class.
I did shopping from Aminabad.
I did not shopping from Aminabad.
For staying here, I should have a job.
I should not have a job for staying here.
I will meet my wife after 1 month.
I will not meet my wife after 1 month.
Last question. I want to see my wife. Your wife is watching.
I don't want to see my wife.
Bhabhi.
I don't want to see my wife.
Oh my God. He is saying, I don't want to see my wife. Oh my God. What is that? Do you have any enmity?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Mr. Ravindra sir, really, you have spoken correctly all the sentences. Beautiful. No, it was just only for practice. It was just only for enhancing and just learning. So here, Mr. Parvez, I will offer namaz.
I will not offer namaz.
I will go from here.
I will not go from here.
I will drink water.
I will not drink water.
I should be here.
I should not be here.
Okay. I should talk to you.
I should not talk to you.
I will beat you.
I will not beat you.
Beat you, very nice. One last question. I know you.
I don't know you.
I don't know you. Very nice, Mr. Parvez. You are rocking. So, Miss Priya, I will steal your mobile.
I will not steal your mobile.
I will get married after 2 years.
I will not get married after 2 years.
I should have lots of money for getting married.
बहुत स्पीड में बोल रहे सर आप।
I should be in Lucknow for getting married. Last, oh my God. Last, and you are going to lost.
सर एक
I should be in Lucknow for getting married.
I should not be Lucknow for getting married.
You have missed.
I will not.
I will.
I
should be in
I
Lucknow.
should be not getting.
You are completely ajhudani. Your correct sentence will be and must be, I should not be in Lucknow for getting married. I hope by this activity you have learned something and you have understood something. So keep on practicing. आप लोग अपने से खुद प्रैक्टिस किया करें ऐसे ही. Likewise, you should speak 100 sentences, 200 sentences, 500 sentences. Because I know in this batch we the people are very kamzor, very weak. We are beginner. So anyhow we should practice. Not only here, at your room, in your kitchen, in your washroom, in your balcony, on your top roof, like wherever you can speak. I know you cannot speak before your friends. I know you cannot discuss with your family members. I know you cannot discuss with your brothers, but you should discuss with yourself. Because last time I was watching guys your videos, you guys are just speaking anything. You guys are speaking anything, like any sentence you are using. I know in that flow you don't think about the sentences and tenses you are speaking in English, but at least the thing you have learnt, you have understood, you know you should use. So guys, see you tomorrow, and thank you very much for watching our videos, and just keep on watching, keep on showering your love, and keep on liking, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing as well. So see you in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day everyone.